Question 1.
Do you want something to eat?
I want something, but not just anything.
What are you in the mood for?
I'm in the mood for something spicy.
What about spicy Thai soup?
That sounds great, but you know what? Anything is fine.
Conversation 2.
Did you go anywhere this weekend?
Nowhere special, just the mall.
Did you buy anything?
No, I had no money.
Did you see anyone there?
No, I didn't see anyone.
Conversation 3.
Where did you go yesterday?
Nowhere.
Nowhere. Come on. I'm sure you went somewhere.
No, really, I didn't go anywhere. I stayed home.
I didn't go anywhere either.
My gosh, we are so boring.
Conversation 4.
Did anyone call?
No, no one.
Nobody called?
No? Were you expecting someone to call you?
Yes, someone.
Ooh, who is this someone?
Just someone. Nobody you know.